I'm Ray, and you're watching the Corn Dog Caravan channel. My wife Chris and I decided there's more to life than working and doing house projects. So we sold everything we own, built out a Ram ProMaster we call Lotus because others think it's stupid, and are traveling full-time seeing friends, family, and exploring the beautiful country around us, along with our 2 Boston Terriers.
Hi friends, welcome to Corn Dog Caravan, and I just wanted to share with you one of my first projects that I completed. Actually, Ray and I completed together. These are our window shades. You can find window shades that are beautiful and done very, very well, but you're gonna pay the price. I think we've seen them online for the back 2 windows for like $215 to $350 for the pair. That is not how we're choosing to spend our money for our van build, so we decided to do our own DIY project. I'm not a DIYer. I don't enjoy doing things like this, but we did it. We went out online and looked at many different people who had their own versions of their DIY, from just cutting and putting in Reflectix, thank you darling, Reflectix into the window, to people doing hot glue guns, things like that. We wanted to sew because we're going to be living in our van and we think that we're going to be putting these on and off on a daily basis, so we felt like sewing would be a little more sturdy than doing a hot glue gun. We used a white on one side and black on the other. Black is going to just keep all the light out, absorb heat in the winter, hopefully. We used an insert. What was the inside that we used? What was our insulation?
It was light Reflectix type of foam. It's 5mm thick, foil on both sides.
It has magnets, so it'll stay up with using magnets. The material we used, we found, we're on a ProMaster build-out advice site. There was a guy on there that used this fabric and we liked how his looked, so we just totally took his idea. It's called Ripstop, and it's like a nylon polyester. It's definitely a synthetic fabric. They make like tents and hammocks and things like that out of it. We used for our trim piece, this is like a seam tape.
It's like a 2-inch wide, I think it was nylon.
Nylon, anyway, it's trim. And then our thread, we used a polyester for outdoor furniture because it's treated with UV protectant. We'll put everything down in the description. It really was basic. And
after three sewing machines, 2 old.
Yeah, we went out and bought a new sewing machine today because we were trying to use old ones and borrowed ones and it wasn't working out. So as you can see, a lot of our stitching does not look good. That's partially me because I don't know what I'm doing, and then partially just a machine that we were fighting with. So this is our first one. We learned a lot. I have magnets here, here, and then 2 up there and 2 down here. We like the magnets where they're at because now we can, and they are strong magnets, we can flip them up there and still have, we can see out if we want to.
And I'm gonna come around the other side too.
Okay, so you can see.
I'm gonna drop that. Totally blacks out. And even with the white, with the factory tint that's on these back doors, not everybody has the glass backs, but if you do, you can see the natural tint there. But even with the white,
You can't see.
you really can't. You can't even see the white hardly, if at all. Now we'll have to do a nighttime test, but I'm sure we're gonna be really good with these.
All right, so we have one more for the back to do. We gotta do this window. And then we have our large front windshield. And then we have our 2, the driver and passenger side. So let's get to sewing. That's good.
If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and let us know if it was helpful. Also, please comment below if you have any questions about the van build or suggestions about the future content as we build out this channel. Follow us along our journey on Facebook or Instagram using Corndog Caravan. If you're not a subscriber, please hit the subscribe button and tell your friends about our channel.